Mr. Cow is on site now. Make you wow no matter how. Today, we're going to learn body parts and look for a rap in Mandarin. Are you excited? Let's go!
Hello everyone! Welcome to Shan's channel. This is my helper, Mr. Cow.
Hello guys.
Hello Mr. Cow. Welcome. Are you ready to learn Mandarin with us? Let's get started.
Hi Shan. Wow, you look so funny today.
Haha, you can still recognize me? Good for you. So today we're going to learn some body parts in Mandarin. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Let's get started. So, what's under my glasses?
Your eyes.
Eyes in Mandarin is 眼睛. Say 眼睛.
眼睛。
眼睛.
眼睛。
Good job. So, what's under the red nose?
Your nose.
Yes, correct. Nose in Mandarin is 鼻子. Say 鼻子.
鼻子。
鼻子.
鼻子。
Not bad. Let's continue. So, what's under the mustache?
Your mouth.
Mouth. 嘴巴. Say 嘴巴.
嘴巴。
嘴巴.
嘴巴。
Amazing. Next one. How about this? What did I wear today?
Oh, they are ears.
Good job. Ears in Mandarin is 耳朵. Say 耳朵.
耳朵。
耳朵.
耳朵。
Does it sound like the number 2 in Mandarin? R.
Yeah.
So 耳朵.
耳朵。
Good job. How about this?
Hands.
Hand in Mandarin is 手. Say 手.
手。
手.
手。
So we have two hands, left hand and right hand. So can you tell which one is left and which one's right? So how about this one? Is this hand my left hand?
Yes, it is.
Wow, good for you. You can tell which one is left and which one is right. So normally for most of people, the one you use to write with or to eat with is the right hand. And the other one is left side. So left hand in Mandarin is 左手. Say 左手.
左手。
左手.
左手。
And right hand means 右手.
右手。
右手.
右手。
Just like when I blow it, so the mustache, so this is right side, right? So 右, right means 右. Now let's learn a sentence. Where are your eyes? That means 你的眼睛在哪里? So follow me please, Mr. Cow. 你的眼睛在哪里? So they're here. Here means 在这里.
在这里。
在这里.
在这里。
So my eyes are here. That means 我的眼睛在这里.
我的眼睛在这里。
Again, please. 我的眼睛在这里. Good job. So, where is your nose? 你的鼻子在哪里? How can you answer me in Mandarin, Mr. Cow?
在这里。在这里。
Good job. So my nose is here. In Mandarin is 我的鼻子在这里. Good job. So Mr. Cow, how can you say where are your ears in Mandarin?
你的耳朵在哪里？
Good job. 你的 耳朵在哪里? So, how can we say here in Mandarin?
在这里。
Good job. 在这里. My ears are here. 我的耳朵在这里. Follow me, please.
我的耳
朵
朵
在
在
这
这
里.
里。
And last one. How can you say, where is your mouth in Mandarin?
你的嘴巴在哪里？
Then answer it, please, in Mandarin.
在这里，在这里。
我的嘴巴在这里. That means my mouth is here. Good job. So, look for it means 找啊找. Say 找啊找.
找啊找，
找啊找.
找啊找。
Actually, this is the name of the rap we're going to learn, called 找啊找. Look for it. Okay, so we're going to follow the beats and sing the rap slowly. 找啊找，找啊找，你的眼睛在哪里？在这里，在这里，我的眼睛在这里。找啊找，找啊找，你的鼻子在哪里？在这里，在这里，我的鼻子在这里。找啊找，找啊找，你的耳朵在哪里？在这里，在这里，我的耳朵在这里。找啊找，找啊找，你的嘴巴在哪里？在这里，在这里，我的嘴巴在这里。So now we're going to play a game. So I'm going to invite boys and girls to play this game with me and Mr. Cow together. So the game is called Simon Says. In Mandarin is Simon 说. Touch in Mandarin is 摸. Say 摸.
摸
摸.
摸
So when I say 摸眼睛, what does it mean, Mr. Cow?
touch your eye.
Good job. How about 摸鼻子?
Touch your nose.
Good job. So when I say Simon 说, I'm gonna touch Mr. Cow's body parts. So boys and girls, you can touch your own body parts. Let's see who's faster. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. Simon 说摸耳朵. Did you get it right? Simon 说摸嘴巴. Oh, you're faster than I do. Good for you. Simon 说摸眼睛. Simon 说摸手. Touch your hand. 摸手. So remember, this one is 左手, left hand, right? 左手. And the other one is 右手, right hand, 右手. The last one, 摸鼻子. Oh, did you do it? Good for you. I didn't even say Simon 说. So Simon 说摸鼻子. Amazing. Good job, boys and girls. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please comment down below this video or let me know what else you would like to learn in Mandarin.
If you like our video, please subscribe and give us a like. Remember,
Shan will make you shine.